In today's video, I'm going to teach you Figma Wireframe tutorial for beginners. How to create wireframes in Figma. Simply learn. Wireframing is the fastest way to map out page structure and user flows before you add colors, images, or final copy. We'll keep things simple and efficient by using Figma's quick actions and a wireframing plugin, so you can focus on layout and hierarchy rather than pixel-perfect visuals. First, head to figma.com and create a new design file. You'll land on a blank canvas with your layers panel on the left and properties on the right. Think of this as your sandbox for planning screens. It helps to zoom out a bit so you have room to place elements and give your file a clear name so you can find it later. At this stage, keep your goal in mind, maybe a landing page or a basic app screen, so the wireframe you generate has a purpose. Next, open quick actions. You can do this by clicking the Actions field at the top, or more quickly by pressing Ctrl+K on Windows or Command+K on a Mac. Quick Actions is a universal search bar inside Figma that helps you find tools, commands, and plugins without hunting through menus. Typing here saves time and keeps your flow uninterrupted. Inside Quick Actions, switch to Plugins and Widgets and type Wireframer. Select the Wireframer option from the search results and run it. The plugin opens as a panel ready to generate placeholder layouts for common patterns. If you don't immediately see it, make sure you're spelling it correctly and that the plugin is available in your workspace. We'll proceed assuming it is. Once the wireframer is running, fine-tune the settings to match your needs. Radius controls how rounded the corners of shapes are. Use smaller values for a sharper, low-fidelity look. Words and lines affect the amount of placeholder text, which is great for testing visual hierarchy without writing real copy. Heights adjusts the vertical size of elements like cards or sections, while spacing controls the gaps between components, helping you establish a consistent rhythm. Alignment lets you quickly position content to the left, center, or right, which keeps layouts tidy. As you tweak these, think about scannability and contrast. Fewer words and consistent spacing often make early wireframes clearer. When you're happy with the preview, click Place It. The plugin will drop the wireframe onto your canvas where you can move, resize, and duplicate it like any other object. Use Figma's smart guides to keep things aligned, and remember that wireframes are meant to be fast and flexible. Iterate freely without getting stuck on visuals, and that's it. Go to Figma, open Quick Actions, run the Wireframer plugin, adjust the settings, and place your layout. Congratulations, you've created a wireframe in Figma.